Smart glasses are cool, but what if you didn't need new glasses to get their smartest feature? What if a tiny gadget could turn the specs you already own into a POV camera for just $79? Meet Cameo, a clip-on camera that's more versatile than it looks. Let's be honest, most smart glasses cost upwards of $299, and they're not for everyone. Some people don't want an extra pair of glasses just for a camera. Others aren't comfortable with a lens permanently tethered to their face. That's where Cameo steps in, a pen-shaped, snap-on accessory that transforms any glasses into a POV recorder and comes off just as easily when you're done. It's not the sleekest gadget in the world, but Cameo makes up for it with surprising power. It weighs just 19 grams, lighter than most action cams, and records in crisp 2.7K resolution at 30 FPS. That's nearly 4 times sharper than the Meta Ray-Bans. It also packs a tiny display for settings and playback, supports up to 128 gigabytes of storage with a microSD card, and recharges via USB-C. Perfect for cycling, vlogging, or just documenting your day without a bulky camera strapped to your head. But Cameo's versatility doesn't stop there. Take it off your glasses, and it doubles as a discreet home camera. Place it on a shelf, a desk, even in your plants, and you've got an instant security cam. And with the companion app, you can trigger recording remotely over Wi-Fi. Of course, always record responsibly. Filming people without consent, that's a fast track to legal trouble. Available in black or white, Cameo ships globally starting September 2025. Each unit includes a USB-C cable, a spectacle case, and even a pair of blue light filtering glasses. For just $79, it's hard to argue against a device that gives your regular glasses a smarter edge without breaking the bank. Why buy smart glasses when you can make yours smart?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.